So the queen is up and running. She's running fine now, and this is how a first layer perimeter should look like. No mesh bed compensation, no auto bed leveling, just manual bed leveling by 3 points. These 2 corners over here and the one center bed rest over there. That's all you need for the weaking when you got the tooling plate in place. Don't mess with it. It doesn't get any better than this. Nice thick first layer, 40 millimeters a second at the first layer. So this is the last lid for the bottom enclosure. I added this slot. So I have 3 done. They are all done, and I need one. Lucky. Hi. I need one over here, and I added a slot for the cabling. So I'm running the cables down to the duet. So here you have the duet and the fan blowing on the drivers. New lid coming. So we're going up to the junction box, which I have here, and then out to the end stops and the motors and the X carrier. Everything very clean. And that's the queen. Since the machine is so good now, I'm gonna do a re-review of it when I have all the nice parts in place. You know, cleaned it up. So this is the first layer for the last, for the final enclosure. 40 millimeters a second. Beautiful perimeters. I'm actually 80 on the bed. I have no adhesion, as you see. I only have the black paint that I use. But pretty high temp, 80 on the bed. I'm going down to 70 after first layer, and 225 on the nozzle. So the weaking, or the queen rather. Have a nice day, guys.